I'm Candy Sherwin, and thank you for coming here to this channel to learn this dance called Another Bar Song, choreographed by Sierra Gill and Dustin Valcalda. It is Shabuzi's new song called Cowgirl. In the lyrics, he does say another bar song, clever, clever. It's a beginner dance, it's 4 walls, there are no tags, no restarts, so I think we will just get started. Okay, so starting with your right leg, pointed out, touch it next to your left, step out and touch. Take 3 steps to your left, step, 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 and touch. We count that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That squeaking is my dog Nash. She's right there and he has a squeaker toy. Not the best toy while I'm teaching, but okay. So, at least he's not chewing on me, so that's good. One more time. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second count of 8, let's take 2 heel taps. Take your right foot and step with that heel forward with a tap, bring it back, heel tap, bring it back. Jazz square, following your right shoulder, quarter turn, crossing it over, step slightly back, moving to the side, and finish this one by stepping forward. To finish off that, well, that's actually the end of that 8 count, okay? Sorry, let's do this. Distracted by my dog. Heel, step, jazz, box, here we go. Back to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. 1, 2, out 3, 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, touch 8, heel 1, 2, 3, 4, box 5, and 6, step forward on 8. Okay, after that, we're going to keep going, and we're going to do a K-step, adding a clap on all the touches. Usually a K-step is shaped like a little boomerang, go back and forth. This one's modified, so it's slightly different on the end. So we're going to step diagonally to our right, out, tap your left foot and clap. Go back to where you came from on the diagonal, out, and clap. Do another diagonal back, and clap. But don't go back where you came from. Either step to the side or slightly back and tap. And there's a clap on each tap. So it looks like this with counts. We step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I do know that the step sheet does say that the last one goes slightly diagonal. And checking in with the choreographer to make sure we do that one right. It is slightly diagonal back or a little bit to the side, long as you're not taking that forward like a regular K-step where you return back to where you started. So one more time, 7, 8, we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. From here, we're doing a little heel split. We take our heels and go out and in. Right foot, walk forward, forward, and touch. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, taking it like we do in the beginning, out, in, step, together. So that's just like we did in the beginning of the dance with the right foot. We finish it with the same step on the left, okay? I'm going to turn my back so you can see that last count of 8 with our heels. So we have 1, 2, forward, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you start it again with the same step. And you'll be at that ball. You restart the dance. You keep going. You don't need to worry about tags and restarts, like I said. Just dance and have a good time. So I'm going to put the whole dance together for you. Dance along with me, and we'll do it at 2 walls. Okay? All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3 to the left. 5, 6, 7. Heel taps. 1, 2, jazz square. And 5, 6, 7, K. 1, 2, 3, 4, but modified. And 7, 8, and heel split. Forward and out. In, slide together. And 1, 2, slide together. And left and right and left and tap. Right heel, left heel, and box. 5, 6, well hello. Okay, this is Nash. 3, 4, back 6, side 8, split 2, step, tap, side, out, step, together. That's how you do another bar song. And this is Nash. And he is now turning 4 months old Wednesday. So he's our new little one. And I have no idea what's going to happen here. It's kind of the way it started with Scully, and he ended up never leaving, but he was a little bit older when he joined the party. So we're going to do this with music. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And leave notes for me, leave little messages. I would be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Like the video, share the video, and let us know what you think, okay? So let me get started, and we will do another bar song.
Got another bar song, so you and my friends. Shooters gotta shoot, so I gotta take a chance. So I thought you full of some, baby in advance. Meet me on the dance floor, 2 steps to the left. Girl, you found the right one. Valley City, bitch, treated like a 9 to 5. We ain't getting many rings. If you know that what you want, girl, just tap on that land.
Step this way.
We be at the bar till 6 in the morning, throwing back shots like some old alcoholics. Wild little cowgirl, shoot 'em up, darling, man. I wanna see you dance.
Right.
Baby got something in the back, some serious shot, baby, girl, she don't even know who beer is, man. Let me see it, wild little cowgirl, I wanna see you dance. I wanna see you dance. Go ahead, back it up, you a wild little cowgirl. I wanna see you dance. Yeah, she's on the run, I'm trying to catch her. The baddest thing I ever seen, I had to ask you. Do you like whiskey when I drop the Tennessee? Girl, if you like the song, let's put it on, please. Hit the dance floor, 2 steps to the left. Girl, you found the right one. Shawty said it dance, we both got a lot of pride. When I put it to the tennis, bunch of steppers in it, stepping, but you know that we the best. We be at the bar till 6 in the morning, throwing back shots like some old alcoholics. Wild little cowgirl, shoot 'em up, darling, man. I wanna see you dance. Baby got something in the back, some serious champagne, bitch. She don't even know who beer is, man. Let me see it. Wild little cowgirl, I wanna see you dance. I wanna see you dance. Go ahead, back it up, you a wild little cowgirl. I wanna see you dance. We be at the bar till 6 in the morning, throwing bass shots like some old alcoholics. Wild little cowgirl, shoot 'em up, darling, man. I wanna see you dance. Baby got something in the back, some serious champagne, bitch. She don't even know who beer is, man. Let me see your hands. Wild little cowgirl, I wanna see you dance, goddamn. I wanna see you dance. Go ahead, back it up, you a wild little cowgirl. I wanna see you dance.
Woo! Yes! That was fun, and somehow I didn't lose my focus too much. It's kind of hard with an adorable little golden retriever at your feet. Thank you guys for coming here again to check out a dance. This is, like I said, it's a really nice, fun one by Sierra and Dustin. And I hope that you will follow me and check everything out. And hey, if you are in the LA area, the Los Angeles area, that's where I am. And I teach at different places, and I would love to see you. So let me know if you're in the area so we can share the dance floor. Meanwhile, have a great day, have a great week, and I'll see you on the dance floor. Thanks again.